Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on Gala Games.
Real crypto space, as Lou said, we are going to be talking about the cryptocurrency called Gala Games. And as you guys may know, this is not financial advice. We've previously gone through the Gala Game cryptocurrency, but they have added a lot of new features. And one of the interesting things is the node cost right now, and it does go for almost around, I think, 50k GBP if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, we'll be talking a lot about it in this video.
But before I get into the video, I just want to mention, as a warning, I guess, we're recording this on the 23rd of December simply because we will be on holiday during New Year's and Christmas. We'll be out the country, so we won't be able to record. I hope you appreciate that. And we just want to get the videos out for you guys still. We don't just want to not upload, so we're just uploading. So these are updates that are happening now. So I'm sorry if you don't like that, but it's what we've got to do. So yeah, I will be back on the 5th of January. We'll be back to uploading normally again. So just looking at Coingecko, it's been pumping today by 8.4%, and it's a $3.6 billion market cap. As we know, it is a great Metaverse project coin, and it's had a big pump today, as you can see here. If we look in the past just 30 days, as you can see, it's gone down a lot. It was all the way up to 80 cents, and right now it's 48 cents. So there could be a nice pump there if we do manage to get back up to there. It really depends on what Bitcoin's doing. I guess you guys will know in the next week or so what actually happens. So that's very important to keep an eye on here. What's going to happen with this? You should look at the history of what's going on here and see if we can redo this. As you can see, looking here, we don't know what could happen here. You can buy it on all the standard places, a very big project. So of course, you can get it on Binance, Crypto.com, Gate.io, KuCoin, etc., etc. Let's get into the updates that are actually happening with Gala Games, so that is the most important thing. Once again, there will be newer updates, I'm assuming, since this video is recorded, but I just want to get this out to you guys in case you haven't seen these updates currently. So as you know, they've been doing loads of NFTs, they're partnering with loads of like big celebrities right now. As we go down here, see Will Wright, legendary creator of SimCity, loves what we are doing at Gala Games so much that he's on board to collaborate us with the Voxverse, a place for your favorite avatars and to live. So that's huge there. So obviously there's no worries about this being dodgy, as everyone already knows about that. You can see they're actually having serious events where the esports is happening for Gala Games, as you can see all around here. It's pretty huge. As we can see here, 2974 editions of the Genesis Curry Flow NFT will be available at 8 p.m. We're partnering with Under Armour, UA Basketball, and Stephen Curry. This is a huge partnership right there, especially for an NFT type project, a gaming project. This is humongous what's going on. So this will also bring a huge awareness to the project, and it will also drive the price up, as of course people are going to want the Under Armour charity. It's a charitable drop. So yeah, that's going to be a very important thing to look at here. And without further ado, let's get straight into the technical analysis of Gala Games.
As you can see on a daily time frame, we've actually had a nice retracement, and I think this was like a 61.8% golden zone, which is a nice area for where a lot of individuals do like to get involved within the dips. And personally, I do think that from now, I do expect all-time highs to potentially happen, because we've actually had a nice retracement, and Bitcoin is looking more and more fundamentally good. And there's a lot of bullish news, and also as the economy becomes worse and worse, and more lockdowns potentially tend to occur, we will see a lot of cryptocurrencies start to go higher, because that's what happened in 2020. We went into our first lockdown, and then we saw Bitcoin start pumping, and Gala Games and all these other altcoins start to make their first movement. And I do think that once we do actually hit our lockdown, which will potentially be maybe January in my opinion, then we may actually experience another phase of altcoin season, which is what we have been waiting for. But that's not financial advice. That's just what I expect to happen in my opinion. So use this opinion to your own benefit. But yeah, from what we can see on the daily time frame, it does look extremely bullish though. That's one thing that we can say. And yeah, if we go to the hourly time frame, as you can see here, we do look like we do want to be breaking out within that zone, and we've had a massive bullish candle recently, so it does look quite nice to see that we are finally getting more and more bullish as time goes along. And I do think as time goes along, as we do progress within the winter, and we potentially go into another lockdown, I can expect this to become a 0.64 and reach its local high that it's made. And I do think that this is possible. Comment down below if you also do think that Gala Games can reach its all-time high as well. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.
So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. And please note, we will be back on the 5th of January. Sorry. So yeah, thank you very much.